Hey guys, are you looking for a way to grow healthy hair? Then this channel is for you. If you are new to the channel, please do well to subscribe. I'll be showing you a remedy that will help you thicken your hair. Our first ingredient is rosemary. Guys, if you don't use rosemary on your hair yet, what are you waiting for? Rosemary is very powerful. It has been studied, approved, and tested. Yeah, tested, approved, and studied, and it confirms that rosemary promotes hair growth. Our next ingredient is black seed. Black seed is not as popular as rosemary, but black seed also does wonders for the hair. All these are Indian herbs that is usually available either online or at the local market. And our third ingredient is bay leaves. Yes, guys, bay leaves is one of the ingredients that are all in our kitchen that we can use to promote hair growth. This is hair growth spray I'm doing, so I need to infuse it into water, hot water. You can allow it to sit for as long as you want, not more than 2 days, so that it infuses very well. Or you can just decide to boil it on fire so that it infuses quickly. So I left this mixture to infuse. This is me extracting the nutrients from the rosemary, the bay leaves, and then the black seed all together into the water, because it's the water that I'll be using. You can store this in a cool temperature and be shaking it intermittently so that it infuses quickly and better. So now that everything is infused, it's now time to transfer into a spray bottle and then use on your scalp. This is a treatment that helps promote hair growth. If you are suffering with hair loss, if you are having excessive breakage, please try using this on your hair and your scalp every blessed day. Target problem areas and you're going to see a big difference. Like, even if you don't believe in it, try giving it a shot, because that is what I also did. So now that I've infused everything, I pour it in my spray bottle. You can use an applicator bottle, but spray bottle works very well. You can also use this as a scalp rinse, a final scalp rinse. After you wash your hair, you can just use this to rinse your scalp in order to protect your scalp. I added herbal growth oil. This is my hair care line, so I just added a few drops so that I don't need to add so much butter, or I don't need to add a lot of oil after spraying it. So now our spray is ready. You can use this every day depending on your hair porosity. Because there's already oil in it, you don't need to go in with an oil. You can just spray on your scalp and you're good to go. So this is my hair. You can tell how dry my hair is. Like, guys, my hair has really grown. You wouldn't know how long your hair has grown until you decide to do a quick length check, or you decide to do something to your hair, and then you notice that, wow, your hair has really grown. I was having issues with my edges, like I was just having general hair issues, but then right now I'll say that my hair is accepting these Ayurvedic ingredients. That's why I love herbs so much. That's why I always urge all of you to use herbs on your hair. So I try to section my hair. This is my edges and it's giving some long edges vibes. I try to section my hair so that it's easy to apply. You can just decide to spray it on it depending on the time you have. You can do this when you're in braids. You focus on the scalp and then just massage it in so that your hair pores or your follicles absorb all these. Do not believe when people tell you herbs don't work. Herbs really work, and they are very beneficial for hair growth. You can choose a herb that you want to study and then try using it on your hair for a while and see how your hair responds to it, because sometimes the herbs do not really work. So this is my hair. That was my hair up there. This was me 2 years ago, 2021, and this video is in 2023. So you can tell how my hair has grown very long. I was currently going through some bit of stress at work and all that, so I was having a setback. I think my shedding quite a bit, so I said, oh, why don't I just go into my Ayurvedic hairspray and then use it on my hair in order to reduce this hair fall. You cannot intentionally grow your hair for so long and then out of stress or tiredness or something, a lifestyle change affect your hair growth and you wouldn't really know what to do. Yes, this is me. I cut my hair all the way down, all the way bald, and this is how my black hair has grown. So when you spray it on your scalp, you can still decide to follow up with hair butter of your choice, or just leave it like that depending on your hair porosity. My hair is very porous, so it dries very, very quickly if I don't moisturize it properly. So then I have to always follow up with a butter in order to seal in the moisture. This is a quick lens check in order to be sure that, oh, this is all my hair. Yes, and I really love the fact that I have been using aloe vera on my hair for 2 years and it's been giving me good results. You may think that I am very consistent with aloe vera, but then trust me, there are times that I'm feeling a bit under the weather, or I'm tired, but even with all that, my hair is giving the growth vibes. Imagine if I decide to do a 2-4-7 consistency. You would be really impressed how aloe vera can change your hair story. Yes, so if you're having issues with your scalp, if you're having a bald spot, if it looks like your edges is stopping to grow, like you are having a lot of tension on your edges, so it's having an effect on your edges, please try using this rosemary spray. It's very powerful. Spray it there and do well to massage, because massaging the hair is a game changer. You cannot spray this potent herbs on your hair and just leave it like that to infuse. You need to massage it in so that it works faster and it works better. Yes, I'm just at home, so I'll just twist it and then wear my bonnet so that it locks in the moisture a bit. People can do this, or some people decide to do this and then go on with a bonnet and wrap their hair well so that their follicles is well open and absorbed into it. I mean, the nutrients in the spray and the oil is well absorbed. If you could tell how my hair was some time ago, you would really know how herbs have helped me very well in thickening my hair. It has really made my hair very dense. So if you are looking at something to make your hair dense or anything, please try this combo, and it's very potent and it's very good. So yes, let me know what you think about this video. Would you be trying something like this on your hair? Have you used aloe vera on your hair before? Have you been stuck at the same length and don't know what to do? Or do you think that all these are scams? Well, I'm here to tell you that it is not a scam. Herbs really work, and you need to give it a shot. Until you try it, you're not going to know the potential of it until you decide to try. Like, tell me where I got this length from. If you go down my videos, you see how short my hair was when I started this channel and how my hair has grown so beautifully. So yes, you can use me as an inspiration to start a beautiful hair journey. You can use it on your permed hair as well. Guys, I'll be ending here. My name is Lydia once again. If this is the first time you are stopping by the channel, please do the thing. Hit the subscribe button, because I always come with hair growth tips that is going to help you grow healthy, long hair. I'm signing out, and don't forget to like the video as well. Bye.